This 2017 Winnebago Grand Tour 4.5RL is a Class A RV. It is located in Kerrville, Texas, 78028 and is offered for sale by McClains RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features smoke detector, self-contained, refrigerator, TV, air conditioning, LP detector, external shower, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, and 85 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, couples coach, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2017 Winnebago Grand Tour 4.5RL is built on a Maxum chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.